A very pretty little chain link that you can make in a variety of different sizes. You can use it as a chain link for a bracelet or a necklace like what I'm doing here. So what you want to do is make sure that your pliers are positioned like this, because what you're going to do next is twist these two. Get your thumb in right next to the pliers here and make a bend. So set the pliers into that little pocket and then apply pressure with your finger against the wire and against the pliers and make a 90-degree bend. What you actually want to do here is line up this edge of your pliers with the top edge of your chain link here. You can use any kind of connector to add this to your chain, but as you can see, this makes a really, really lovely chain.